Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apple Pay Cash, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card into your Apple Pay Cash as a payment method. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I've been getting a lot of requests about this, so there might be some sort of an error on the Apple Pay Cash system that happens when you're trying to transfer money out of your Apple Pay Cash into your bank account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card in, and also some things you want to look out for if you're getting an error. So I already have a debit card attached to my Apple Pay Cash, and I think what's going on a lot of times is you need to delete and then re-add the card in for it to recognize it, even if it's in your Apple Pay wallet already. So that's what I'm going to do step by step on this video. Guys, not a long video, not a lot to talk about on this, so be sure to stick around. First off, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings app. It's this gray gear icon. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click in there, then what you want to do is scroll down until you get to this section, Wallet and Apple Pay. It has this little wallet looking icon in the background is black. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here, then what you want to do is go ahead and click on Apple Cash. It's this black credit card looking thing. It's kind of colorful, little wheel on it. I'm going to click there now. Once you're here, then you want to go ahead and click Add Money. I know that you're going to go ahead and take the money out of your bank. It doesn't really matter. This is just to show you what cards you have available. I'm going to click Add Money. Next, you want to choose the minimum, $10. Don't worry, you'll have a chance to verify it before you add anything in. Next, I'm going to click this blue Add button up here on the top right. Okay, now you can see I just have this one debit card. It's my Cash App debit card there. You can go ahead and click on this and see what other cards you have available. Let me click there now. All right, as you can see, I have a few credit cards, but only the one debit card. So what we're going to need to do is delete this debit card from my Apple Wallet. So let me switch over to my Apple Wallet now. All right, here's my wallet app. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, here I am in the Apple Wallet. I want to go ahead and choose this debit card to delete. I'm going to click there now. All right, once I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and click these three dots right here on the top right. All right, once you click there, then you'll be in this screen, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll see this button right here, remove this card. I'm going to click there now. Next, this pop-up happens. I'm going to click remove again. Okay, now you can see the debit card has been removed. So let me switch back over to my Apple settings. Okay, so here we are back in the same screen. So I selected $10 to add into my Apple Cash. I'm going to click add. All right, and then it brings me back to this screen right here. So add money, transfer to bank, because I don't have a debit card attached. Really simple, guys. What you want to do is go ahead and click on transfer to bank now that you've removed the other debit card. All right, this screen pops up on how much you would like to transfer out. So I have $5 available in my Apple Cash. So I'm going to click 5. I'm going to click next now. Now, one thing I want to let you know, if you deleted the debit card that you want to use and bank account that you want to use, no problem. We're going to re-add that in, and that should cure that problem. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just transfer $1. I'm going to click next. All right, next the screen pops up. So you want to go ahead and choose instant transfer if that's what you want to use with your debit card. I'm going to click there now. All right, now it's giving me the option to go ahead and add in a card. So I'm going to click this blue button right here, add card. Next, I'm going to go ahead and choose this top line credit or debit card. All right, next this screen pops up. So you want to go ahead and add in the debit card that you would like to do your transfer from Apple Pay Cash into that bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my new debit card information off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in my debit card information into Apple Pay Cash. I'm going to click this next button now. All right, now they are asking for the expiration date and security code for the debit card that I'm going to add into Apple Pay Cash. I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, enter that information in. I'm going to click next now. All right, since we have deleted this card and we're adding it back in, I do need to agree to the terms and conditions. So just read through that. If you agree to it, click this agree button down here. I'm going to click there now. All right, next, your bank may need to verify the card with you. If so, just follow the prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and verify that through text message now. All right, so I went ahead and verified that. Next, the screen is confirming that my debit card is added into my Apple Wallet, available for Apple Cash. I'm going to click this not now button because I don't want to use it as my default card. All right, guys, just a few seconds later, this screen popped back up, and we just want to continue the process. So now that we've added a debit card to our Apple Pay Cash, go ahead and click on your Apple Pay Cash line right here. All right, once you click there, then you can go ahead and click this transfer to bank again. All right, now go ahead and choose how much you'd like to transfer. So I'm just going to choose $1. Go ahead and click this next button here. And as you can see, the instant transfer now populates with my new debit card right there. There is a fee in order to transfer it. I'm going to go ahead and click on that line. And then this blue transfer button pops up. Let me click there now. All right, next the screen pops up confirming that I would be transferring money from my Cash Apple to my debit card that we added into Apple Pay Cash right there. If for some reason it didn't show up, go ahead and click on this little arrow button. I'm going to click there now. And as you can see, the debit card is listed right there. So there you have it. That is how you add a debit card into your Apple Pay Cash. If you were not able to add a debit card into your Apple Pay Cash for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll try to address the issue. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.